components, movie details, and the search movie components, and we don't want to show them both at the same time. Instead, we're going to navigate between the two. So to do that, we're going to create a router out here, right, from using React DOM router. So we'll say import. It will import the browser router, and we'll rename it locally as router. We'll also import route, and we'll import link. Okay. So what we're going to do here is that instead of showing both at the same time, we'll say we're going to wrap this whole thing inside of a router. Okay. So our entire application is thank you. Router. There we go. Thank you. I meant to do that. So what we'll do is that this implements the navigation mechanism. Now we need to tell it when do we want to show movie details and when do we want to show movie search component, right? So the way we're going to do that is creating two routes. We'll say, well, here's one of the routes. And route, what it does is that it's going to listen for the route or the path that we're going to give it. And whenever it sees that path, it's going to show that particular component. So we're going to say that if the path matches just plain slash, right? It's just if you're at the top of the context of the application, then I want to show the following component. Then I want to show component. It'll be the search component. Okay. If instead we have in the URL instead we have a URL that starts with movie and ends with an IMDb ID, there's some placeholder. Instead, I would like to render the details. Okay. All right, notice that if I now remove these two, if I go back to my URL, notice that I only see the search movies because I have a slash here, right? That is the top level component, right? Context, right? Now I see the search movies. But instead, if I see, movie slash whatever, right? It still has. Oh, I forgot something. The exact, right? Let's do that. Let's say exact equal true. Otherwise, this one includes this one, right? So they both display, right? So let's do that. So there it is. So notice if I have movie blah whatever, right, I show the movie details. Instead, if I only have slash, I see the search component, right? So now I can toggle between the two. I can go back and forward between the two. Yes, right? Excellent. So this is the beginnings of a navigation. So let's work on this.